Okay, hello everyone. Let's talk about today's trade that I took. Today's loss. I took two trades, and both of them is by stupidity and by a fucking mistake. So let me explain. Let me show you the chart. Okay, so you can see here I have two trades. This is the second one, and this is the first one. Let's talk about the first one first. So the first one is let's talk about the how step by step I see the market, right? So I was looking for about 4 hour. It's pretty bearish before this move up. We are respecting this bullish gap. Really bearish, like disrespecting this, which is market safe structure. And then on 1 hour, also we are inside this gap, whereas also there's London high and Asian high inside this hourly gap, right? So this could be like really great grateful for us to be bounce off and then trade to the downside and look for short from there. So let's go to 5 minute market open. We moved out decent way, and then we inverted this gap. At least that's what I thought at that moment. I hit sell button here after this candle close, and then when I zoom in, I just realized it haven't even inverse. You can see here, it's not even inverse. So when I realized about that shit, I was looking when price go down here somewhere, and I'm just immediately close the trade, which is why you can see here I have profit trades for $28, and then the losing trades, which is the second trade, is $185. I'm really distracted today. Distracted. I really distracted. I was trying to play a game with my friends, so I was preparing like a server and a mods to be installed. I'm really distracted. I should be better next time. So yeah, and then I'll wait for another entry after I close this stupid trade, the first one. And then okay, we sweep this internal high because this is the most current high that was inside this hourly gap, right? Which is somewhere in here. I'm not mark it out. Somewhere in here. You probably know what I mean. This. So it's inside this gap, right? So I was expecting we are going to have a subtle move to the upside and then have a good amount of rejection after we move up, right? And then after that, I see price just moving like crazy here and form like a hell of a fair value gap here. One, two, three. And if I want to enter off this manipulation leg, then it has to be within first all of this gap, which is going to be really crazy. And I think that's going to be really trash risk and reward ratio, right? So after that, I actually get another entry now because we also now sweep this again, this internal high, because this high also this red rectangle here is hourly gap from here, unfilled hourly gap. So this is internal high, and then we sweep it. We have like a good amount of rejection here, and then I was when this candle forming, I was looking at the 1 minute. And I see we actually already have an inverse. I was like thinking, okay, if I can actually already enter short right now on 1 minute, but still on 5 minute, it still have possibility for us to form a 5 minute gap. You know what I mean? Because I need an inverse gap from the highest time frame, right? Which is 5 minute, 3 minutes, or 1 minute. So I was waiting for it, and then when the price moved down like crazy in here, I immediately hit my short button because it's invalidated or all possibilities to form some sort of fair value gap on 5 minute, right? Because it's just run through all the gap that going to be possibly made there. And I immediately hit my sell button, and then I let the one trade. Set my stop loss, set my take profit. My take profit is here to unfilled 5 minute gap over here. And yeah, when I go on 1 minute and it's too late, price already moved like crazy, and then I just check it out my trade again, and I just fucking realized that we inverse this gap, but we still have this fucking gap that haven't even inversed yet. Look at this. It's not even inverse. It even have a month of rejection. I'm really fucking distracted today. Holy shit. This is stupid trade, bro. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys on the next day. So if I actually paying attention today, probably not trades because this crazy move up just doesn't fucking make sense. Don't really see anything worth to wait in this type of market condition. Low key. So yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video on the next trade. I think for the title, I'm going to change it to Road to Funded because now I just bought another funded account on Funded Next, the 25K. Why? Because I'm broke. So, that's it. See you guys in the next video. Bye.